Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get one of the best spicy apps for your Fire Stick device. It's totally free to use and got millions of spicy movies inside, and I'm sure you are going to like it. And without any further ado, let me show you how to get that amazing app to your device. And first of all, of course, you need to get the downloader app to your Fire Stick if you don't already have it. So to do it, you need to go to search on your device. Open that search bar, which you can see on my screen, and now in the search, start typing downloader. So let's do it together. Enter downloader, or at least start entering, because as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. Let's click on downloader, and that's the app that you gotta get to your device. However, after you got downloader, it is not over yet, because we still need to set it up. So in order to actually set up downloader, we'll need to go to settings. So here they are. We click on the button with a gear icon. And now what you have to do is scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, you have to turn on developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it is going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have appeared for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and from here, all you need to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we go straight back into the list of apps on your Fire Stick device, open it up, and here's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. However, before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Singapore right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go straight back into the list of applications of your Fire Stick and open up the downloader. And when the app opens, what you have to do in here is on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, and now in that search bar we need to enter a code, which is going to be 863078. So once again, it's 863078. That is the code you have to enter. Then click on Go, And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And sometimes the code might not work, and you might get blocked out from the website. So if that is the case, and that code does not work out for you, then I have an alternative code which you might use in that case. So the alternative would be 9 5 3 5 6 2. So once again, 953 562, that is the alternative code. Enter it and click on go. And this one then should work fine for you. And now finally, the download process has started for us. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds to download the application, then you have to click on install and wait for the app to finally get installed on your Firestick. After that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now when you go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, you will open it and here's the spicy app which we just installed. So enjoy the app and see you next time. Bye bye.